Yellow S15, yellow R34. That's so rare. How rare is this sight, Takuya?
I don't know.
How rare?
How many they made?
That's so rare. Yellow S15, yellow 34 at the same spot. This one is going to Long Beach, taking it to the port today, and going to the state. 98 eligible. This one's so done up. Too cool. And right before it leaves the state, get to collab with the S15 in Japan. This one was sold in Japan, domestic sale. I do domestic sale as well. And we're getting this thing ready to register. All right, let's load this up. Take it to the port.
Yeah. This one and that one.
Oh yeah, as well as Bruce's. The one we built is finally going to stay as well. Going to Bruce's home. Taking both crazy color. Yellow and Bayside blue. 3 coats. Crazy pearl and candy. Organizing the yard. Look, brother's car. Josh's car. Soon. This final piece arrived. The Nismo clutch. Final piece to Josh's car for the RB25 transmission swap is finally here. We got all the parts. We just moved my old rolled shell. Got space, but we got S15 still. None for sale though. We're taking 2 cars today. 2 days in a row. Yeah. Yesterday I took S15, blue S15. Today I'm taking blue 34. Let's go. Takuya's gonna drive the truck. Bruce, this car's on your way. It's hot. No, it's humid as fuck. Sweating crazy, and it's probably like Oklahoma 80% humidity. But we just finished today's mission. Today's mission was big, huge mission. Dropping off Bruce's ENR 34 and yellow ER34 on the God. Both going state, one's going to Long Beach and one's going to Georgia. Or east side and west side. So this is how we get done. Drop off the cars at the port and go into the final destination, and brokers in the final destination will handle everything stateside, and you get all the paperwork to register. So that's how easy it is to import a car from Japan. So let me know if you want to import any cars. Hit up Kota's Cars. Got you covered. We're here at Akihabara. We're building a PC for YouTube. Lina's been editing out of a laptop. Now Takea's helping me to get a real build PC so we can film 4K and all.
早いやついいんです。どれがこれらに合うやつってどれがいいかな。
We're getting this case.
ところだと、i7 で全然問題ないかなっていう感じなので、他の辺のタフシリーズですね。
Change our mind. We got this. We're getting this, yeah. We're getting this graphic board and white case.
一番最初の、今使われている C ドライブと呼ばれる方に関しましては1テラ
And fans?
そうですね、3年が入るようになっているので、デザインの統一性で言ったらこの子が
Holy
ダントツ
shit.
のおすすめですね。
Alright, let's do it.
もうこれで
それでいいんじゃない？Tucker got me
これで
everything.
基本的にもうパソコン作れるかなっていう感じです。
We got hella boxes. Building a whole PC in 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
We're making them work after hours, bro.
We pull punch up.
Whole thing. Hopefully everything will fit in the S15. We drove S15 here to Akihabara. Yeah, as we walked out, they literally just closing the gate. Last customer. We did it. Whole laptop. 3 bands. Alright, let's put this all in the S15. Got like 15 items. Package secured. Let's go home. We got all the goods just for you guys, so we can create better content for you. What would you say?
Huh?
What would you say?
Let's get started.
Yeah.
Just for YouTube.
YouTube. For YouTube. Takuya's gonna build it right now.
Yeah.
Whole computer build. I have no idea. Never done this. Lino's gonna love it. This is all for Lino, all for YouTube, all for editing. I'll probably need my personal computer for simulator. And we need simulator at the shop. But this is what I got for YouTube build. YouTube computer build.
Good stuff.
Boost up, homie. Water cooled? Don't even know.
Yeah, water cool. This is crazy.
Alright. I'm just got distracted on snowboard, putting this pad. I'm probably gonna kick it off. But we'll see how long it's gonna stay on. That's the motherboard. Mother. Don't even know what I'm looking at. But we got so many USB ports, like 9 of them.
It looks sick anyway. So this is
Came with the
an OEM ECU cooler.
ECU cooler.
This air cooled.
Upgrade to Hyperflow. This is legit like
360.
dirt bike radiator size, like, and water cooled. Oh, Intel Core i7. Hey, you gonna install it right now?
Yeah.そうこれがそれが怖いっしょ。それが怖いんだよ。でもそうこれなの。でこれを押すとグッと入ってくるんだけど、グッと入った時にこれがパーンって外れるの。
That's the water cooled radiator coolant shit. I'm unboxing this. We decided to get white box for Lino.
It's huge.
This thing is white. Alright, we got this upgraded
Thermal paste.
high thermal conductivity.
Okay.
Took a shit. That's good enough, huh?
Yeah. It's gonna split.
Spread. Diamond grease もいらないこれ。
はい。
取っとく捨てる Water cool radiator fan setup mounting on the center of the motherboard. What do you guys think about our computer setup? Is it good enough? Or is that overkill?
Nah. It's good enough.
It's
You
just
can
right.
also play Sing on this one.
Yeah, at home.
Yeah.
I also need the same computer for the shop.
すげえ。
Wired up.
Let's see.
And
Working PC in 2 hours.
fans in here as well.
あ、こっちも動いてる。
Mm-hmm. You can turn the LEDs off.
あと今一旦そこの回線つながってないかも。
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Here it is. Takuya finished building computer for me and Lino, and we'll be pumping out YouTube videos more than ever.
Show them from this side.
Yeah. This is the surprise. First thing first. Damn, son. Where did you get that? Takuya built the whole thing. This is see-through case. It's cool. 3 fans on the intake. And water cool. なんだっけ?
ベリエ。あ、CPU クーラー。
CPU cooler. 2 fans here. Thanks, bro.
I got you.